Hey guys, this is Bryce Barker and I'm here with the Global Capital Network Expo here in Orange County, California. I have the owner over here, the CEO of Applied Biomedical, and he's going to go ahead and he's going to tell us a little bit about his company.
Hello, my name is Dr. Varshney, Varshny. I'm CEO of the Applied Biomedical LLC, located in Placentia. And Usha, she's my wife. She's also doctor psychiatrist. I'm a pulmonary physician. And Zakir Murtaza, he's PhD. He's chief executive, our CEO of the Applied Biomedical. And we are in Placentia for the last 10 years. We make point of care tests, basically HIV test kit for the blood and pregnancy test, malaria test, and now our latest addition is coronavirus rapid test. We can make it, FDA approval can be done within 6 months. We are looking for $1 million for that. The market is unlimited. In the US, our main problem is we are not testing enough population and there is restricted use. Government has a lot of restriction to test the coronavirus. Our test does not require any restriction. Anybody can use the point of care test. And result is given in 20 minutes, positive or negative. Our accuracy is 99%. Of course, the government wants to do PCR test, which is very complex and expensive. And our market is worldwide. And coronavirus is here to stay, it's not going to go away. Similarly, we make HIV test. HIV test is point of care test. Result is given in 20 minutes. Wow. And we can make the saliva test also, which is sold nowadays in CVS and Rite Aid.
And that's what you have with you right now, right?
Yeah. Blood test, point of care HIV test.
Super easy, it's in a little pouch, you just tear it off. Saliva right there.
You just put one drop of blood, the buffer, the result is given in 20 minutes. Basically, this is the buffer you put in that. So, but unfortunately, it requires $2 million for the FDA approval. And also for the saliva test, we can make in $2 million FDA approval both the tests. Market is more than 30 million every year in the US itself. It's a worldwide market. Currently, we have submitted all the application dossier to the WHO. If they get the approval, then we'll get a lot of orders from WHO. Our third item is glucose strips and glucose meter. It's a multi-billion-dollar market for this entire world. Wow. Diabetes is a very common problem. HIV is not going anywhere. Coronavirus is not going anywhere. And worldwide market comes in $1 billion. So we are looking for $1 million for coronavirus rapid test and $2 million for HIV blood test and saliva test, which is sold over the counter in the US. Market is more than $300 million per year for HIV test. And glucose strips, market is Johnson & Johnson. Last year they had $3 billion revenue just by blood sugar strips and meter. And we have FDA approved for the blood sugar meter and the strips, but we cannot produce a mass market. $2 million we can produce about 40 million tests a month. And we can capture even 0.5%, that will translate into multi-million dollar. We are FDA certified, state certified laboratory in Placentia, and I would say being a doctor, my family is all doctor, my wife is a doctor. We are looking for some good for the humanity, and I've dedicated my life to these tests and this company, and still funding all the things from my pocket, and my wife's income and other assets. So basically, coronavirus, I'm little bit upset. I'm not a political person, I'm not a Republican, I'm not a Democrat, but definitely something went wrong because government has no step to test to the population. Already in the community, coronavirus in the community, and it has to be tested. It has to be tested. Everybody should be tested. We can produce 1 million test kit a month in our facility, and it will be FDA approval within 6 months. But government has not given green light. I don't know what the government is doing, and that's why coronavirus is spreading like a wildfire in the USA. So basically, our goal is to produce the test kits in the market and capture the export for the worldwide and USA and save the coronavirus from spreading.
We we are located in Orange County, and our facility is FDA CGMP certified and inspected by FDA twice and inspected by state 3 times. So we are solid protection capability in a clean room environment. So right now we are putting our efforts to get a coronavirus, which is 20 minutes test, and if anybody can perform that test like a pregnancy. And similarly, we have other tests as well, like a Zika, HIV, and we are planning to have some glucose test strip as well. So we are looking for funding. So whoever is interested, contact us at appliedbiomedical.com.
Thank you guys very much for sharing. We'll make sure that we have this all over. Thank you guys. If you guys have any question, look for appliedbiomedical.com. They'll go ahead and they'll help you out. We're looking to cure all these viruses that we have going on, especially that coronavirus that's going on right now. So they need a few million to get it all FDA approved and all of that and get all the cures out there to all of you in the world. Thank you guys for tuning in tonight. Thank you again for 2030 Ventures for the sponsorship, and you hope you guys have a great rest of your evening. Bye, guys. Thank you, guys.